will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that uh, on your app, on your Mario Kart app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings, click on it here. So you just click here on settings. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Mario Kart app or just click on search. Then here add Mario Kart app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,